Hello students of class 10th, welcome in SST class. So today in SS Geography chapter 4 Agriculture. You know students, agriculture is the major and main occupation of Indians. It is the primary occupation of Indians and it is the base of all development. Okay, 2/3 population of India means engaged in agriculture. People's long ago means much more interested in agriculture in India, and in agricultural means fortunately India is the rich of natural vegetations and having good heritage and land surface for the agriculture, means all the facilities by the nature also available in India for this occupation. And in India, agriculture having a lot of types and it's a lot of names also, but in means from long ago means types of farming under to it primitive subsistence farming. Primitive subsistence farming is very old type of farming. Under to it peoples use much more whatever they have tools, old tools like hoe, dhow, means a lot of things they used in this primitive subsistence agriculture, and it's have different name also. Means one more very famous slash and burn agriculture also we can say. मीन्स जैसे जैसे जनसंख्या बढ़ती गई भारत की, वैसे वैसे कल्टीवेटिव एरिया जो था फील्ड, उसको बढ़ाने के लिए लोगों ने जंगल को काटना और उसको जलाना शुरू किया। तो एक जगह से कुछ जगह पे जला करके फिर वहाँ कुछ दिन खेती किए, फिर वहाँ को छोड़ करके जब उसकी उपजाऊ क्षमता कम हो गई, छोड़ के दूसरे प्लेस में थोड़ा जगह में जलाया गया। मीन्स आफ्टर बर्निंग means its fertility being increased and people's got idea that means of slugs and burning agriculture, means लोग झाड़ियों को जलाते गए और उसमें कृषि करते गए, 1-2 साल बाद फिर वहाँ छोड़कर दूसरी जगह। in this type of slash and burning agriculture is very famous in India, and Indians have also adopted these types of farming at first. Okay, it totally depends on rainfall and nature, and for the supporting its only their family members and community. It have very less production only for the consumption of their family. Okay, means it's also they have means implemented on very short piece of land. Okay, मीन्स इसमें जो खेती की जाती थी बस केवल लोगों के खाने भर का ही होता था, ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन नहीं होता था, क्योंकि ये बहुत पहले का मेथड है और इसमें फर्टिलाइजर्स और टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज़ नहीं होता था। तो उस समय लोगों के खाने तक का भी अनाज निकल पाता था। एंड दिस एग्रीकल्चर टोटली डिपेंड ऑन नेचर, मीन्स पानी बरसता था क्योंकि एग्रीकल्चरल फैसिलिटी उसमें इरिगेशन की नहीं थी, तो मीन्स जैसे भी बरसात होती थी उसी पे डिपेंड रहता था। मीन्स एवरीथिंग डिपेंड ऑन नेचर दैट टाइम, एंड दियर प्रोडक्शन आल्सो वेरी लेस ओनली मीन्स फॉर द कंजम्पशन ऑफ दियर फैमिली एंड कम्युनिटी। तो इस तरह से ये बहुत पुरानी विधि है खेती की। उस समय लोग पुराने औजारों से करके टूल्स को यूज़ करके प्रिमिटिव सब्सिस्टेंस फार्मिंग करते थे, और इसके डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे डिफरेंट नेम्स भी हैं। आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस। यू नो डिफरेंट प्लेसेस नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, इन होल द वर्ल्ड, डिफरेंट नेम ऑफ प्रिमिटिव सब्सिस्टेंस फार्मिंग। ओके, मीन्स अदर नेम ऑफ प्रिमिटिव फार्मिंग, you know milpa in Mexico. In Mexico it's known as milpa, and in Brazil it's known as roca. In Indonesia it's known as ladang. And in India, it's known also by different name. Bewar and Dahia, it's known in MP and Odisha. Purva, it's known in Jharkhand. And Jhuming agriculture is very famous also in northeast areas. Okay, and means except these names, a lot of different name like Manipur, Deepa, Bastar district, these names means primitive subsistence farming means same pattern they have used and but their names different. मीन्स वही इन लोगों ने पैटर्न यूज किया कि झाड़ी को जला करके जो घासें हैं वहाँ पर जला करके थोड़ा सा खेत फील्ड एरिया बना करके वहाँ पे कृषि किए, कुछ दिन खाए पिए, फिर उसकी फर्टिलिटी कम होने के बाद दूसरी जगह गए. मीन्स दिस मेथड अडॉप्ट बाय a lot of countries but having their different name. Okay. Next, second type of intensive subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming is also means adopt on high pressure of population. Means if land surface area was not so broad but population very high there, so farmers have used intensive subsistence farming. means सघन कृषि. इसमें कम क्षेत्र पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फसलें उगाई जाती हैं. And farmers used here biochemical much more. Means whatever irrigation facilities and a lot of things available there for the intensive subsistence farming. Inside means under to this farming system means whatever labor based means farmers depend on labor and it's also depend on nature, on means rainfall, those things. Next one is commercial farming. Commercial farming, its name as Vyavasayik Krishi. It is totally means for the money minded. Commercial type of farming means its production for the selling and for earning. So means in this type of commercial farming, farmers means much more they shown as crops which have direct benefit. Okay, and they used technology and HYV seeds, pesticides, insecticides and advanced irrigation facilities also available for the commercial farming. Okay, and the major crops of commercial farming, sugar cane and a lot of like means cotton, also commercial farming. Means under to it we got direct money and raw materials for the industry based and agro based productions. Okay, next one is plantation. Plantation is also under to commercial farming. Plantation of the plants and trees for direct benefit, as after selling the product we got money. So this type of plantation farming used. Okay, and plantation farming means it's also having need of means a lot of irrigation facilities, advanced facilities and technology. It's used of proper transportation for the plantation farming. Means transformation and communication, both facilities also should be advanced for the commercial and plantation farming. मीन्स जिससे कि जो प्रोडक्ट निकले वो आसानी से शहरों तक जा सके और इंडस्ट्री तक जा सके, जिससे हमारा जो है जो प्रोडक्ट है वहां तक पहुंच सके. इसके लिए ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैसिलिटी बहुत ही चीप होनी चाहिए. ओके, एंड अंडर टू प्लांटेशन फार्मिंग much more famous, banana farming and coffee and tea. These also are major crops of plantation farming for the direct benefit. And indigo much more means whatever raw material based things of the industries we can grow here and got direct benefit. Okay, means in this way under types of farming having these types of farming, some for the consumption, for the food grains, and some things for the raw materials and agro based things, whatever industries depend on that. Okay, thanks. Next headline is, cropping pattern. I will discuss in second part of this chapter. Okay, you have to write from means starting to here, and you have to make your notes. Okay, thanks.